Hi, and welcome to this edition of Emergingissuer.com. I'm your host, Denise Poole. With us here today, we have Richard Biscan. He is the president and CEO of TerraGold Resources. It can be found on the pink sheet symbol TRGD. Thank you for being here today, Richard. It's really great to meet you. Thanks for being here. Now, Richard, in your own words, why don't you describe for us TerraGold's mission statement?
Okay, TerraGold's mission is to find quality mining projects in Mexico and develop them. That's gold, silver, and other base metal projects.
Excellent. I have a three-part question for you now. Okay. What projects does TerraGold have? Where are the projects, and what potential do those projects have?
Okay. TerraGold has 5 projects right now, all in Mexico. And most of them are based in the Sierra Madre area, which is a very prolific area and has been a very successful area. The first project is called La Millonary, and it consists of about 1,000 hectares, whereby we have an outcrop vein there that samples approximately 9.6 grams gold a ton. And there's a lot of potential to host potentially a few million ounces there. Mm-hmm. And then we have a project called La Corrida, which is adjacent to Palmarejo with symbol PJO, who's been very successful in defining 3.1 million ounces there. And that project also has a 150-ton-a-day mill there that's operational. And we've done a joint venture on that project to put that project back into production. Our third project is San Miguel Groupings, which have also done a joint venture on. And the company that we've joint ventured with has to spend $2.5 million to earn a 70% interest on that project and give the TerraGold shareholders 700,000 shares and pay Terra cash payments.
Excellent.
Also, there's Lluvia de Oro, which is approximately a 200,000 ounce drilled off heap leach property that was in production at one point, and we've joint ventured with that project to put that project back into production. And that has upside potential to discover more ounces also. The last project that we just announced recently is Picacho, and Picacho is a 3,300 hectare property, a fairly large property, and also has a mill that's capable of doing about approximately 250 tons a day. And we've joint ventured that to put that back into production. And with that joint venture, the partner will pay for the project, put approximately $2 million into the mill and about $1 million into the ground, make payments to Terra, and also share payments to Terra. So that's
great.
That's it.
So you said that all your projects are in Mexico. So to satisfy our viewers' curiosity, why did you choose Mexico?
Mexico has low opportunity costs and still has quite a bit of prolific areas that have not been developed yet or discovered yet. So we have a good flow of project opportunities coming from Mexico.
So what sets TerraGold apart from other mining companies?
I believe TerraGold's strategy sets it apart. My strategy from the beginning, phase 1 strategy, was to joint venture the projects using other companies to spend money to develop the projects, put the projects back into production, and also to build a cash position within Terra itself. And then we still have the upside of the other projects that we're working forward, and whereby we can do those projects 100% ourselves.
So Richard, why don't you tell us why investors should invest in TerraGold Resources?
I believe that Terra holds the potential within at least 5 projects right now to discover resources that will be worth multiples of the current market cap of Terra right now. And also from a pure cash flow basis, TerraGold, once it has these 3 projects in production, should be generating substantial cash flow and have very little need to dilute, and will have the necessary cash to further projects.
Now, we know that gold has stabilized in the 640 to 650 range. So let's just say you could predict the future. Where do you see gold going in the next year?
Okay. Everyone has their guess at gold. But I believe gold is, in the very short term, headed higher, but is due to have a fairly decent correction. But in the longer term, beyond 1 year, I believe gold's headed substantially higher. And something I hadn't mentioned yet is we're also starting to develop base metal properties, such as copper and zinc and iron ore and things like that. We're reviewing projects like that. So I believe that the base metals even have a longer bull market to run than gold and silver itself, so which is why we're heading that direction. So.
Well, thank you very much for taking time out of your busy schedule to talk with us. It's really great hearing about this company. I look forward to hearing success on that. Now, if anyone is interested in getting more information on TerraGold, you can visit their website at www.terragoldresources.com. For Emergingissuer.com, I'm your host, Denise Poole.